Hope you all having an awesome day and hope you all had an awesome weekend. Right here, we're going to do analysis of net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what a big push down and pullback out of natural gas. And that was expected looking at the level of resistance that was mentioned in my last video. I've said that we can expect a correction looking at the overbought situation. And as you can see, we are getting this big and deep pullback. But let me show you the clip from my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Are in a level of resistance but not in the rejection box. If the price forms a bearish engulfer inside this rejection box, that will become a major double top pattern, and we can see some good push down and a good pullback. Could be above 50 EMA, could be above this recent anchor that has been recently broken. So with that, if there's no bearish condition, we are still perfect. So as you can see the text from my last video, that we can expect pullbacks, and when the price is at the level of resistance, with that we are also in the overbought situation. Combining all that, we can see some sort of pullbacks. I have not entered any trade because we had no conditions on 4-hour time frame. So what to expect from it? As now price just broke below 50 EMA and also inside this anchor support here on capital.com. We're going to go through NEMEX in a second. So what to expect from here? Now we have a second candle that has gone below 50 EMA. Now it is a very crucial area. If we have a next candle as a bullish engulfing pattern, in that case expect a good push up back to the level of resistance and expect a minor double top or a major double top that has also been mentioned in my last video, which is from this rejection box that was already mentioned in my last video. So that's what I'll be looking at, just a buy signal, which is my bullish engulfing pattern right at this level of anchor. Now it is not a major support but a minor anchor. That is, I'll be looking at a solid bullish engulfer. If we have that, that will likely to push the price high. Now what if there is no condition? If this anchor is broken, that is why I say conditions are very important, and that is why I look for my every single condition. Doesn't matter if the price pushes down. I don't say that I've missed this good pullback because there was no reason for me to enter, but that was expected in general looking at this level of resistance. That is why the next bullish signal will be my buy entry if we have that at this anchor support. But if we are broken below with one more red candle, in that case I'll start to look for pullback entry bearish only till the price hit next level of support, which is right here. 2.505 goes 2.642, from where we can start to look for bullish engulfers or double bottom entry condition. For now, just see how this candle closed and how the next candle closed. If we have a next candle that closed and broke below this zone, then I will only look for bearish trades short term till this zone and look for a buy condition from this area. Now here on Ovanda, we have just got one candle closed below 50 EMA. Now if we have a next candle, let's say that's closed as a bearish candle. Now very next candle close back above 50 EMA. In that case, that will be a buy signal again, and I will go long. It will be a valid pullback entry if we have a very next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfing pattern. Otherwise, if we are broken below with good momentum, then exactly the same, just a pullback entry bearish till we are here. Look for the possible condition from this anchor support that was already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. So for now, just looking for next candle. Next candle will decide what the price action will do. If we have a bullish candle here, then the price will likely to push back up from here and head towards a next level of resistance. So keep an eye. Next candle will be a deciding candle what to expect from it. Now NEMEX, I've already mentioned in my last video that I'll be looking for the possible double bottoms or a bullish engulfing pattern here. Now if you are my student and if you follow me, it is not one of my valid pullback entry bullish. It invalidates one of my course rules, and that is why I have not taken it as an entry. Now the price can either push back up from here. We have a rollover coming up as well on 29th. Now doesn't matter where it opens, but if it stays below 50 EMA, then I will still look at this little rejection box for the possible double bottom pattern. Now rollover doesn't mean the gap, doesn't mean it will always be filled right away. You have seen the example right here of the rollover, the gap up opening, and the price pushes back up, hit the level of resistance, and then pushes back down. So if you have a rollover below, I'll still look for the double bottom. If you have a rollover, let's say open above 50 EMA, in that case I will keep you guys informed what to do next. For now, just look at this double bottom pattern, and if we have a pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer, in that case I will go short term till this zone, from where I will start to look for my buy trades. We are still in a long run, we are still bullish, we are still not bearish unless we are not broken below these lows. Once that happens, only then the price of net gas will crash, but that is something I'm not expecting at this point. I'm expecting a possible double bottom out of net gas and the continuation towards the upside. For now, short term bearish we are, and look for short term bearish trades. Next up, we have gold. Gold is still pushing up nicely and we are now heading towards a level of resistance. Not a major one, but it's a level of resistance. Right is the number in blue. From here, if we see a rejection like a bearish engulfing candle, in that case, that will be a sell signal. So I'm only waiting for the price to get to this rejection zone followed by bearish signal. If there is no bearish signal and the price open and close above this recent high, if we have a close, then the price will likely to push up. Remember, the aggressive entry was triggered and I'm still looking at 1.618 retracement in a long run, but in the short term, let's say we have a push up, pullback, I will go for a long trade till this level. So expect a continuation out of gold, but expect a good pullback from this recent anchor level. Next up, we have silver. Silver is still ranging sideways in a box. Now, as you can see, right here, it is just an accumulation right here. Once this accumulation is broken, we'll see a dramatic push up out of silver. We need to see a break and close of this candle. If you have closed below, only then I will start to look for my level below, which is right here for my next possible buy trades. I'm still looking at this level. This level is valid. 31.42 goes to 32.19 for my possible buy trades. So all I'm looking at this zone if we are broken below. If we are broken above, I will looking for the possible double top pattern to take my sell trade. I'm not buying unless we are broken above this high or we are in this area of value. So that's what I'll be looking at for silver. Just wait with patience. Expect some more accumulation in the box and a breakout above or below for the continuation. If we are broken below, then we are looking at this level. Next up, we have crude oil. Open below in gap massively. Now, I've said that we can get a possible triple top pattern and exactly one top, second top, third top right at my rejection zone. It did open in gap, but we were only expecting bearish trade. That is why this zone was sent to my members as well. Now, if you're looking at buying trades, I'll be only looking at this zone. 65.76 goes to 67.31. From where I will looking to enter my buy trades. For now, just a pullback is expected, followed by bearish engulfing pattern. I'm going to remove the zone and keep things simple. So just a pullback and a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA. We have broken below the previous low. I'm only looking for bearish trades till we are in this zone for the next possible buy trades. Now we can expect some corrections. That could be a good pullback below 50 EMA, rejection below 50 EMA, and short till this area. So that's what I'll be looking at for crude oil, just bearish trades till this zone. And from here, we're going to look for the buying condition. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.